Hello again. This is Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo. Right now, as I promised, so this is our second play. Uh, Maybe a second scenario for our Marble Champion Civil War expansion. Okay, still we are on the resistance side, and our enemy are on the registration side. So registration is still Iron Man and Captain Marvel. Resistance side will be Captain America and Spider Woman. Okay, same character. I'm going to use Wolverine, Nick Fury, and Hulkin. When we go with the registration group, I will change the heroes to a registration group, but it will take time for me to assemble a new deck. But this deck is good for now. Uh, to for today's play. Okay, so I already assembled the deck, shuffled, and take the first initial card. So let us read the main scheme. So the main scheme is shield recruits. So let me read that one. Okay, so if there's more than one player, okay, when reveal the enemy searches. So as you can see, it's Captain Marvel saluting to Maria Hill. Maria Hill is a registration site. So it has 7. The limit will be 21 threat. If this has 21 threat, we will go to the registration tactics. So that will be the final scheme that we need to prevent. Since this is a co-op, so a side scheme will be rebuilt. The side scheme for Captain Marvel is Alpha Flight Station. So that's an additional boost every time she attacks, and thwart. And there's of course her permanent card, Energy Channeling. So after leader hero or ally attacks Captain Marvel, place one energy token here. Then if there are 4 energy tokens here, remove all of them. Captain Marvel attacks that character. This attack gains overkill. Overkill means if Captain Marvel kills an ally, your allies, so any excess damage will be dealt to your hero. Normally, when the villain attacks, if you are an ally, sometimes you make him as a defender, and if there's no overkill, so any excess damage will be forfeited. But if there's an overkill skill, any excess damage will go through your character. It is like more than they call it on Magic when I was uh, playing Magic on the green side. They call this trample, as I remember. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with Logan. As usual, Logan is aggressive type, and Nick Fury is still the same. His justice. Hulkin will remain a protection aspect. So let's start with Logan. Okay. And remember guys, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button on the bottom if you like this video, so I can make more videos on future time. Okay? I have plenty board games on my mind to make a video of solo playing. I just need to finish this Civil War so we can concentrate on the other. I promise you that I will play a solo of the South Tigris campaign. There's already a campaign for that one, so it will be played by 6 games. So starting from Wayfarers up to Inventors. So that will be six board game. And yes, as a story, of course. That's a good thing with that one. It's the first time Garfield created that kind of campaign. Normally, it's called, when you play it with a competitive, you will do a Moon Saga. So again, you start with Wayfarers, but ending in Inventors. But that will be only 3 games, not 6. Okay, so we start right now. So, I would like, right now, I don't like these cards. These are all attack cards. Uh-huh. But I can punch him right now. I could go with 8. So, resource, 1. And gotta pay this one. So, I'll give out, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus the uppercut. Yeah. And that will be additional damage, eh? So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 damage. I'll pay for this one. So that deals 8 damage to an enemy if your hero's remaining hit points are less than the half of your. Starting with this gains overkill. So 8 plus 1, that will be 9. Crunchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's crunchy. I forgot. This will be on Wolverine. I think I'll make him thwart to remove 2 here to help. So this will be 3. The next one is Nick Fury. So I go with this one, change to stealth, and then this one I thwart. That's 1. Then place 1 threat on his. I remove 2. That becomes 1. Okay. I pay this. Wait. I could pay this one. I can pay this one and clear the area. That's remove threat and remove the last threat. Okay, remove the last threat. And it will draw me 1. Okay. And then I could pay this one. Pay this one. Set up. Okay, that's one eye patch. Now we go with Hulkin. So now we thwart. Okay. I have no discard yet. Let's play. Okay, so I play this one, or I could play this one. Wait. I can play this one. Yeah, 3 and cast this superpower. Yeah. Okay, so I'll pay another. I will exhaust that one. An additional card to play this one. So after I play a defense, so Hulkin thwart again. That will be take one from this guy. One counter. I forgot. I attack him, and I think that's it. Okay. So let's refill our hand. So this is 5 for now. Looks like I don't like, huh? Preparation cards. This is 3. Hmm. And 2. 5 again. Mm-hmm. I have interrupts. Nice. Okay. So that's let's put the exhaust. And okay, it's the enemy's face. Wolverine, do you accept the attack? Of course, I will accept the attack. So that's 2 plus that already 3 because of that one. Plus this one. Okay, that's 3 damage. 1, 2, 3. Instead of attacking, he will scheme. So that's 2 scheme plus 2. That will be 4. So 4 scheme. When an enemy would attack you, scheme instead place 1 threat from that activation here. I forgot to put 3 also there. Yeah. Next, he will attack me. I could play mm-hmm. I could play jump up. Yeah. When you would take any amount of damage, prevent 2 of that damage if you paid for this card. Remove 2 threats. Should I defend? This is defense card. After you play a card, deal 1 damage to the attacking enemy. Okay, let's go. So he will attack me. That is 3 plus 2. That is a 5. So prevent 2 of that. That will be 3 on me. Okay. And deal 1 damage to him. Deal 1 damage because of that. And this one, remove 2 threats from the main scheme. So remove 2. Okay, now encounter. Attach to Captain Marvel. So, force a trap. When Captain Marvel would take more than 3 damage from attack, reduce that amount to 3. Then discard the... Oh! This is tough, huh? Plus 1 attack. Next. Quick Strike Toughness. So, when revealed, discard 1 card from your hand at random. If you have the unregistered trait. So, I'm not yet unregistered. So, Quick Strike, he stop. Quick Strike, he will attack me. When an enemy would attack you, so he'll just skim. That's 5. 2. He will skim 2. I will take the other one. Okay. Aha. Last. Weapon, touch of paladin. Otherwise, touch of enemy leader. There's no paladin here. When a touch character attacks, this attack gains range in overkill. Discard this card. Oh. This his attacks are now devastating. Okay, let us see what we can do. Can this be killed? But after the player phase begin, heal 2. I always forgot to heal. Wolverine's healing ability. Okay. I could not yet cast this. But I could cast this one to remove 4. And 1 threat suit. What? 2? I can't do anything. What I could do, since I'm on... You know what? I could attack this guy. This is not guard, right? Instead of 2, I'll attack this. So 1 threat. Remove to 3 threats. I remove to 3. So I attack this guy, this woman. So that's 2 plus 3. And that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27. Okay, so it's Hulking time. Attack this guy. Okay, but I will cast this exhaust the physiology and I will use this one. This is a hulking card, so it just gives me 2. Exhaust this, and now this will now be a wing. So if I upgrade your control, ready. I'm ready again. But I cannot do anything yet. What I could do right now is attack, just thwart to remove 1 again. Now it's Wolverine time. This is 6. Okay. Let's go with this one. Berserker Barrage. Slice and dice. Deal 3 damage. Deal 3 damage again. Killed. Okay, so remove threat. 2. When Captain Marvel will take more than 3 damage. Okay, so this I'll give back his 2 because my 5 damage is already would take more than 3 damage from attack. Reduce that amount to 3. But I can just 4. Okay. So this is this card. So it's clobbering time. Okay, I think that's all for now. So let's go with the cards. 3, 4, 5, 6. This has been used. Okay. Get back to action. Not good for now. Five. Okay. Now let's remove those. Let's untap. Okay. Untap. Okay, let's go with the threat. That's 3. Now he attacks. The thwart. That's 2 plus 1. That's 3. The attacks here. I could defend. That's was one defense. I have 2. Okay. She has 5 plus. That's 6. That's 6 attack. I need to prevent. I prevent 3. Sidestep. That I prevent 3 of that one. So 6 attack. That's wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I prevent. That becomes 3. 3. I block 2. I get 1. And since I play the defense card, damage 1 to her. And this will be removed as well. He will now, she will now attack Wolverine. I'll take it. That's 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, encounter. When revealed, Alter Ego, Captain Marvel skin, place 1 energy counter, energy channel. So, that's 2 plus only 2. This, put this minion into play, engage with you. Okay, so this is removed. When revealed, put the topmost shield minion encounter. Engage with me. No minions. I'm lucky. Next. Oh, fuck. I don't like this. Let's go with the Omega Red. I don't like that guy. While this is another one bullshit. So that's 8. So retaliate, steady. When Omega Red stack, you deal 1 damage to each character you control. I have no characters controlled. Okay, let's go. Hulking start. What I could do? No portals must say this is the last you may change to alter ego form. I need this card. I need this card. I'm sorry. Or I could sacrifice this one. For now, I need the 4. That's 4. We need to remove something there. Then I'll come heal to damage. Well, I don't think so. I attack this one. I'll pay this one. I'll attack this guy. This will return to me. Or I'll just pay with this one. So my attack now is 3. Attack this one. Plus. I need to remove him somehow. Three. I can't do anything. Okay, so it's finished. I hope I got good cards. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six. And this Nick Fury will get 5. It's hard. It's hard to assemble. Okay, now it's the villain's turn. So he gains 3 here. I have not much to do. The threat is too much. He will attack. So that's 3. Oh, plus 1 because of this. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll defense. I have 2. So that's I can do this. Not today. When your hero defense again attack, it gets plus 2 for attack. So I got 3, 4, 5. I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He attacks me for 3, 4. So I get no damage. If I done that, remove 2 threats from the scheme. So that's remove 2, 3. So that's finish for him. Scheme for this one, that's 2 plus. And place 1 energy to counter energy. He will attack me. Okay, he will attack me. So that's 2, 3, 4. So these are all removed. Now it's Snake Fury's time. So he will scheme. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 again. Three again, but it was 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I'll give him 3 to remove this one. Yeah. And the fourth one will be placed here. Okay. Encounter cards. When revealed, discard cards from the encounter deck until minion is discarded. If you are in alter ego, okay, until a hero. Okay, so that's 2 attack from me. If your identity has registered alter ego action, discard and your identity gains the unregistered trait. Oh. So I'm now unregistered. This one. Oh my god. When defeated, the enemy team search the encounter, they can discard or copy unregistered super. Seriously? Hinder, that's 5. No, that's 6. This is too much. Wait, so 6, that's 10. Berserker Barrage. Oh, wait. I discard this one. I don't like this. Oh, I can use this one to pay this. So I will only discard this. I'm finished. Four. No, three. I cannot cast this. To remove this one. 3 energy tokens. You know, I'm having a problem with that guy. Hulken. I cast this one. That's 4. That's 4 here. I cannot do anything more. I cannot prevent this. This will grow. Shit. Is there anything I can do? Oh well, there's nothing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still Berserker Barrage. This 5. Finally. Okay. Let's go again. So this is another 3. Actually, it's 4. It's now 13. He will attack me. I will accept. It's 3. 1, 2, 3. Omega Red attacks. 1, 2. This guy hit wards. That's 1 plus. That's 1 here. 2 there. Again, that will be 5. Defense. 2. So I did not take any damage. But I could play. I could play this one. That's no damage for me. Then deal 1 damage to you. Let's finish. Shang-Chi. I have no unregistered. Quick strike. He can now be defeated. Ah, one more. This one. Four. Four. This cannot be prevented anymore. For unregistered, the enemy search for encounter the unregistered super. Unregistered super. Let's see first. What is unregistered super? Okay, I'll go with the threat. That's 2. That's removing 3 here. 2. And I'll change to alter ego. That will this. Deal 4 damage to an enemy. This attack defeats an enemy. You may take 2 damage to repeat this ability. 4 damage. Take 2. Ah, 1, 2. I always forgot to heal. Oh, I forgot this one. Oh, no, 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 no. That's another 4. Repeat this ability. This 4. One, 2, 6, 7. Attack. And then I'll deal this one to that guy that's killed. 2. And then deal 2 damage again to this guy. You can go all to 7, I think so. I can make that explode. Or I just I'll just block him with this one. Yeah, that's one thing for sure. Okay, let's go. That's 5 cards. Oh, I need the car. He will take damage because of this. 4. Search your this deck and discard purple shape shift later. Okay, I think this will be the last attack, and we'll take a break and continue next. Okay, so he will now have 3 threats. So that's 16. And then he will attack this. Actually, he will threat. That's 2. 2 plus 5. He got 4. This already have pop. $15. 7 plus 7, 21 plus 4, 25. 15. That's 20 already. He will again. That's 1, 2. You are stunned. Take 1 damage. Next, he will attack me. That's 2 plus, I'll take it. This will attack me also. This will block. And now, for the whammy. Now this exhaust each unregistered identity. Otherwise, when revealed, exhaust each unregistered identity. Otherwise, the enemy team search the encounter deck and discard for copy as a face down encounter. No problem. Is there another more unregistered super? No. That will pop. It's getting better and better. The villains attacks me. I'll be dead. With that attack, that's 4 already. This is dead. Wolverine. Wolverine is dead, I assure. Yeah, he's dead. 6. Wolverine died. I think we lost this campaign. I will not continue without Wolverine. So I think that's finished for now, and I'm sorry we lost the campaign. I will try this again next time. Let's see what will happen next play. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video to see more videos in the future. This is Rico again, saying goodbye for now. This is Rico of Solo Board Gaming ng Tondo, saying goodbye. for now.